Gets the better of me sometimes. When you and I collide, I fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out of time, don't let me drown and let me down. I say it's all because of you, and here I go, losing my control. I'm practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right to look you in the eye, and all the things you mean to me come tumbling out my mouth. Indeed, it's time to tell you why I say it's infinitely true. There's no cure, I know it to be sure why everything's turned inside out, instilling so much doubt. It makes me so tired, I feel so uninspired. My head is battling with my heart, my logic has been torn apart, and now it all turns out, comes sweeting every afternoon. Don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. It's all because of you. All because of you. Turns out, comes sweeting every afternoon. It's time to tell you why I say it's infinitely true.